Hello and welcome from the Pharma MES Singapore 2018. I'm here with Khaoula Metheni from Bayer. Hi Khaoula and welcome to the conference.
Hello, thank you for the invitation. I'm really glad to be here.
First of all, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself, your background and your current role at Bayer.
I'm a pharmacist, graduated from Paris. I've been working in quality area. I have a master degree in quality. And I've been working for several companies, big company, and my role in Bayer is a global quality manager for the Asia Pacific region. We oversight contract manufacture externally, and I have the responsibility of the APAC CMO.
This morning you held a keynote here at Pharma MES Singapore and talked about the importance of delivering a global quality strategy. Can you give me some more insights into what you talked about and what the main takeaways from your talk are?
I think the most important when you have a good quality strategy in place, when you manufacture any product, then you can make sure that you will have a sustainable product in the market. So for me, it's a key to have a good quality strategy in place that fits the regulatory requirements and, of course, the company requirements.
What are the main challenges you're currently facing in Bayer with regards to regulatory requirements?
I think the regulatory strategy is really changing. Pharmaceutical world is really moving. It's a dynamic sector, and you have to always be in the state of the art. You cannot play with compliance and not with the authorities. So you have to make sure that you will satisfy all of those requirements, and you have to make sure that they are implemented on site, that you will not have any issue. So at a regional level, you have also to have an oversight in the region, but also in the country. So one of the challenges I will say is really this oversight. Globally, our headquarters is located in Switzerland, so this collaboration and communication between the region and also the country locally is the key things to make sure that it's working well.
If we talk about MES, what do you see the biggest challenges regarding the usage of MES?
I will not say it's a challenge, but it's when you have a new manufacturing site, you can start from the beginning. So you will develop, you will collect the data that you need, you will make the best system in place thanks to the experience that you have. But when it comes to a site that is already existing, or even an external partners that you have to challenge them, then this is where it becomes more difficult to implement. So you have to really have a step-by-step approach to make sure that you can succeed in the MES implementation. So it takes time, but you have to have sufficient resources and efforts to make it happen.
If we look at the future, let's say within the next 1 year, how do you see the MES and the pharma space transforming?
I think the IT today is really important. For pharmaceutical area is also one piece because we want to produce as fast as possible and of course to stay in compliance. IT is here to support, to help, but when we know that it's also triggering some question, you have to adapt and react fast. So we have to believe that MES will be working, but with the sufficient resources in terms of quality oversight and data integrity, which is a key topic for the keynotes from this session. It will be in the next years also the same topic, but I think we can avoid all of those issues if we have a good collaboration and work between quality and IT.
What are your first impressions of the conference so far, and what are you hoping to take away after these 3 days?
I think it was really interesting. I mean, having this session in Asia Pacific, because we do have different, let's say, point of view, different mindsets. So bring them together here in Singapore. I think it's a really nice opportunity.
Thank you very much for your insights and your time to an interview, and have a great rest of the day.
Thank you very much.